that place.
Hey,
I will monitor you.
I do not know. Hey.
Oh yeah.
Who is driving this car? I beg you, give you license for drive. What is wrong with you? Come down from this car, sir. Come down. Wait till they worry you. Come down. Are you not seeing me? Did you not see me?
When you drive, I shouldn't.
Did you not see me?
You slapped me.
Did you not see me?
You slapped me.
Something is wrong
You slapped
with
me.
you. Okay, let this car go.
Come back here.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry, sir. I do not know your license. I'm sorry, sir.
Do you know who's in that car?
I'm sorry, sir. I do not
So
know.
you see anybody and you mess up on the road?
Sorry, sir. I'm
What do you
sorry.
mean sorry? Are you crazy?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What do you
I'm
mean?
sorry.
You bring people on the way and you just misbehave?
I'm sorry.
Are you crazy?
I'm sorry. I did not see you.
Do you know who has that car?
I did not see you, sir. Hey.
I'm sorry.
See, I found the car. Park this car very well. Park this car. I will get sleeping in the car room today.
I'm sorry, sir.
Sunday, come and park this car.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I did not see you inside
Are
the
you
car.
crazy?
I did not see you inside the
If you touch me,
car.
I will mess you up.
Okay, we are sorry.
You are crazy. Park this car.
Okay, I'm sorry,
Yeah,
sir.
go to the car room today.
Okay, I'm
You are
sorry. Okay, I'm
stupid.
sorry. I'm
Are you
sorry.
crazy?
I did not see you. I'm sorry.
You think you see anybody on the road and you mess about?
I'm sorry.
Sunday, park that car. I'm calling me come today. You put me in the car room today. Bring the key to the car. Bring the key.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Today you are
I'm sorry,
in
sir.
police. You don't know anything.
Ha, Jesus.
You don't see anything.
Ha. Come and help me begging now. My car is going, no. Okay. I'm sorry, sir. Please, I'm sorry, sir. Please forgive me.
You will see.
I'm
You will
sorry,
see.
sir.
You will see.
I did
You will
not
see
see.
what
I did
they
not
will
see
use
inside the
to
car.
do today.
I did not
You are
see
sitting
inside
inside the
the
car
car.
today. Sunday, where's the key?
Okay, I did not see inside the car.
See,
Sorry.
if you touch me, you'll be dealt with. Give me the key.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry now.
Give me the key.
Okay,
Are
I'm
you crazy?
sorry. Okay.
Enter the car.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm
Please,
sorry.
See, I am not you. See,
Hey,
first of all, frog jump to that place.
Hey.
The both of you.
Okay, please.
Hey. If you run or you are running, you come back here. Come back here.
Did I get my baby?
You will hear me today.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Park my car very well. I will deal with you
I'm
today.
sorry, sir. I did not
I
know.
will deal with you today.
I swear, I did not see you.
From here, frog up to you have to frog up to that place.
Hey,
I will monitor you.
I did not know. Hey.
Oh yeah,
Hey. Okay, I'm sorry.
bend down very well. I said bend down.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Bend down. Get on your knees.
I'm sorry, sir.
Don't mess with
Okay, I'm sorry now.
Something park my car very well.
Okay, I think I'm sorry.
Park it very well.
I'm sorry, sir.
Oh yeah, bend.
Jesus,
Come on,
no.
do what I told you to do.
Hey, Jesus, oh, what on me, oh.
Bend down.
Help! Help!
I'm
I'm sorry.
After this thing today, you will.
I'm sorry.
Something hit my komoko.